it's Mrs. Compton, and you're in for one of my favorite strategies today. It is the distributive property, which oftentimes books and people say, use the distributive property, and you're like, wait, what? But really, it makes super sense because we actually solve all the time with the distributive property in our heads, and we probably don't even know it. So if I were to ask you how you would divide 69 by 3, how would you do this? If I asked you not to use a pen and a paper, you'd probably start breaking apart 69 into friendly pieces that are friendly to our divisor 3, right? So 69 is the number of items that we have, and 3 is the number of groups that we have, right? So we could start drawing circles, 3 circles, and then put dots in circles, but that would take us a really long time, right? So we're starting to get more efficient in our strategies. We're starting to think about, hey, how could I break this number up? So what would you do? How would you break up 69? Maybe you would break it into a 30, and a 9. Those are all friendly pieces to the 3, right? Or maybe you would break it into a 60 and a 9. So let's check it out. I'm actually going to make 3 rows going down. That's going to represent our 3, okay? Now, I need to figure out if I have 69 across, or excuse me, 69 small squares inside, how many I will have going across. And that's actually going to be our answer. It's basically like 3 times what is 69. So we could break 69 into a 60 and a 9, right? So let's think about that. 60 divided by 3. Do you know that? Do you know 6 divided by 3? So you can use your basic facts. So I know 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 60 divided by 3 must be 20, right? So I know I'm going to go this way, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now if I close that up right here, I could literally count 1, 2, 3, all the way till I would get to 60 down here because we've got 20, 40, 60. So I literally have 60 squares in here. This is representing 60 divided by 3. So we've divided it into 3 rows. Now, what is on the top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we've got a 20 up here. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. We've got a 20 up here. 69 divided by 3. I know I should have maybe planned out my spacing a little bit better. Now, that's only 60 of our dots, though. We still have to get the other 9. We broke them apart, right? So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to put those right there together. So now I have literally 69 squares used up, right? So now I have 3 groups of 3 to make that 9. So we've got 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. All right, so our answer to this is 23. The answer is right here on the top, 23. So 69 divided by 3 is 23. Maybe you're like, whoa, that didn't click with me. I would have broken up the 69 differently. So let's try another way. So let's use a different color. See if we can see this one. 69. Can you see it? Barely. Divided by 3. That one's better. Okay. So maybe you said, all right, we still have to make groups of 3, right? Because the 3 is what we're dividing by. So we still have to have 1, 2, 3. But maybe give myself more room. Plan ahead a little bit more this time. Maybe we'll break it into a 30 and a 30. That makes 60. And then a 9. Maybe you would do it that way, right? So let's check it out. 30 divided by 3 is 10, right? So 30 divided by 3 is 10. So I've got I'm dividing by 3 right here. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I went 10 across. And 10 times 3 is 30, right? So this is 30 divided by 3 is 10 right here. See how closely multiplication is related to this? All right, so we've used up this 30. Now I'm going to try out the other 30. I already know I'm going to go 10 across again because I know 30 divided by 30 is going to be 10 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30 divided by 3 equals 10. So I've got 10 up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I still have 9 left to divide by 3. So remember, here's our 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same as last time for this final step, right? Oops. I should have put that in there. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And the 3 goes up top. See, it's 1, 2, 3. That matches that number. That's where the quotient is, up top. 10, 23. 23. See how closely these are connected? What's the difference between these two strategies? Take a moment to really stop and look. What's the difference? So you can see that in this one, we split the 69 into a 60 and a 3. And this one, we split the 69 into a 30, and a 9. So we used friendly tens for this one. So it doesn't matter how you split it up. It's just the way that we're thinking about doing this, right? So any way that you can split things up. You can look at numbers and kind of strategize on what makes sense to you. And the divisor. It's all based on the divisor. What is friendly there? All right, kids, I'll see you next time. Bye.